In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Wix form submission email address. Whether you're not receiving form emails, you want submissions sent to a different inbox, or you simply want better control over who gets notified, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Wix website dashboard and make sure you already have a form created on your site. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and find the option labeled Customers and Leads. This area is your main control center for managing contacts, interactions, and form activity, so make sure you're following along carefully. Next, click on Forms and Submissions inside the Customers and Leads section. You'll now see a full list of all the forms connected to your website. Take a moment to locate the exact form for which you want to change the submission email address. Once you find it, click on the three-dot menu next to the form name, and then select Form Notifications from the list of options. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged into the correct Wix account, confirm the form is published on your site, and double-check that the email address you plan to use is typed correctly. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent missing important submissions. Once you're inside the form notifications area, scroll down until you see Notifications and Automations. You'll notice a preset automation called Get an Email when a form is submitted. Click Edit to open the automation editor, then select the Send an Email action. From here, scroll to Set Recipients and enter the email address or addresses where you want form submissions to be sent. You can add multiple emails if needed, separated by commas. After that, click Activate at the top right, and you should now receive form submissions at the new email address without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to submit a test form to confirm everything is working properly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to change your Wix form submission email address easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.